Very worshipful presiding officer, Roger Ulises, the most worshipful Padilla Vergas, our Grand Master, the guitarist Liz, as well as on the floor. Brethren, good afternoon. Buhay pa ba kayo? Medyo alanganin yung oras. Sabi ni Grand Master kanina, the place is warm and comfortable. So, you are now feeling the warm hospitality of Bigan. Kaya kung nata nito yung Bigan, nasya at na nakasambot kayo yun. So, my brethren, for our Masonic education this afternoon, I have selected one topic which is entitled The Resurrection of the Ruffians. Although in some lodges I have made this lecture already, but I thought of repeating it here in this multi-district convention because I'm trying to emphasize the purpose, the symbol, and meaning of this subject, the resurrection of the Ruffians. In one part of the Islamic legend, if you will recall, the three Ruffians who assassinated Hiram Abiy were executed on order of King Solomon. However, later, without explanation, they suddenly reappear in the drama and assist in raising from the grave the body of the very man they murdered. Why were they resurrected and then given an important role of assisting in the raising of King Hiram Abiy? So, if you will go over our monitor, particularly on page 45 and 46, yung monitor natin na makapal, yung 3 degrees, nakalagay doon na nung sinabi ni Solomon, rather than here on time, you will take yourself suitable assistance and go with me to raise the body of Grandmaster Hiram Abiy, etc. And then here on time says, 12 crops will now assemble on the north and south side of the gods, etc. Now, here comes the clue here. There is a parenthetical instruction. Sabi niya, senior deacon on the southeast, first craftsman at the altar, second craftsman at the southwest. The sabi ko sa monitor, Jubilant on the northeast, Jubilant on the north, and Jubilu on the northwest. Nakalagay doon. At sabi niya, the craftsman is facing east, the roof guns is facing west. And they invite a brother to form a pair with them, the brother inside on the outer side. After that, Solomon came down with Hiram Tyre, and they went through the procession. Okay? That is how the monitor is written. So you will find out na a while ago, sabi ni Solomon, you will take it out of the gates of the city, and there several accepted in abundance the implications that they brought from your own mouth. Sa ibang mga lodges, yung ating mga Ruffians, medyo overacting. Paglabas ka sa loob, may mga sound effects pa. Ano pa? Diba? So, dramatically, they were dead. Ngayon, bakit suddenly, on the raising ceremony, nandun naman sila. Jubila on the east, Jubilo, and Jubilo. Now, we know, my brethren, that the Hiramic drama is an allegory three ruffians are only mythical figures. These ruffians were included in the drama to teach us grand universal principles that are the root of all the modes of living activity. The three ruffians are pictures as the negation, the antithesis, or the kabaliktaran of the three, of what the three Grandmaster represents. Grandmaster Hirmabin was killed by the members of his own craft, and later his entombed spirit was raised from the grave by the same members of his own craft. If you will recall, my brethren, in our ritual, the ruffians slew him with the tools of their profession, and yet the square, the level, and the trowel, and the setting wall. Yet, these are the very same tools that were given to every Mason to prepare himself for his journey back to the great architect, to the bosom of the great architect of the universe. Jubila used the 24-inch gates, Jubilo used the square, and of course, Jubilo used the setting wall. Perhaps at this point in time, the setting wall is a very important tool during the operating days. Ito yung malaking maso na ginagamit nila to put the rocks in place. That they say that the rocks were so formed square na today, if you put a ATM card between them, hindi raw pwede pumasok. That is how exact, how properly placed these rocks. And they use it with the use of the setting wall. And the setting wall ay isang tool of wood na parang maso at yun pinagagamit nila. So, pag tignan natin, mas sa operating craft, mas malaki ang gamit ng setting wall. Pero bakit hindi ginawang working tools ng masonry? Why? Because for simple reason, it was used by Jubilo to kill Hirmabin. So, it is, the setting wall is a symbol of death. Kaya hindi ginawa working tools ng Master Mason, ng Mason. So, the forces that killed Hirmabin are the same forces that raised him from the grave. So why? The message, my brethren, is very clear. That the laws of the universe are always the same. The laws of equilibrium and harmony. The laws of causes and effect. The question is whether we will use them in the inverted sense, which will sum up in the law of death, or is it a true and harmonious order which will sum up to the law of life. Now, ang ibig sabihin nito, life on earth is a question of the forces of good and the forces of evil. That if the forces of good, pag hindi natin na-harness ito, it would become a force of evil. But also, a force of evil, pag ito'y matay natin, masubdue natin, it will become a force of good. Let me give you an example. The four elements of nature: water, earth, wind, and fire. Water is universal solvent. Men, trees, animals cannot survive without water. However, when water is not controlled, it becomes flood that causes inundation. Remember in the Bible, the roots of the great flood? It is water that was uncontrolled. So, yung good element na tubig na kailangan natin sa katawan ng tao, sa lahat ng animal and plants, pag ito